Hello, hello, I'm Barbie. I am so excited. I have the Skinvigorate. If you don't know what the Skinvigorate is, it's amazing. So this is Mary Kay's skincare brush. So it uses oscillation instead of rotation. So it's super gentle and just vibrates and cleans your face exponentially better than just using your hands or a washcloth. And it has, I don't know if you can see it, but like a little thing they put dark makeup on. And so this is her washing her face with just her hands. And then that's her washing her face with the Skinvigorate. So excited. I'm gonna be unboxing it with you. So when you get it, you get to open it up. There it is. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. So it comes with the Skinvigorate. This is chargeable by USB. So you have a little port down here that you're gonna charge your system with. And when you first get it, you're gonna charge it for at least 16 hours to make sure it's fully charged. And then you should really only have to charge it about every 6 months, maybe. Depends on how much you use it. And then it has this brush. Oh my goodness, you guys, it's so soft. I love this. So cool. So to use it, you just pop it on. Ta-da! Close up. Look how soft this is. I love this brush. It is so soft. And the cool thing about this is it has the on. So when you're using this, it'll time out after a minute, but you're gonna wanna use this 15 seconds on your forehead area, 15 seconds on your cheeks, and 15 seconds on your chin, and 15 seconds on your nose. And then it'll time out after a minute. But it's so soft, my goodness. I wish you could like feel it. There's 3 different speeds as well. So you can customize that. And then also you're gonna wanna change these brush heads out every 3 to 4 months, just because they get gross and you're gonna wanna make sure that they're good and clean and cleaning your skin extra well as they're supposed to. This is amazing. I am definitely going to be doing a tutorial on how to use this and showing you the difference of Skinvigorate versus no Skinvigorate in my next video. So stay tuned and thanks for tuning in. I hope you have a blessed day.